The world of gaming laptops is constantly evolving, with each new release pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of performance, design, and features. One such release that has generated significant buzz in the gaming community is the MSI Cyborg 15. This sci-fi-inspired gaming laptop promises to deliver a truly immersive gaming experience while sporting a futuristic design that sets it apart from the competition. In this video, we'll dive deep into the unboxing and first look of the MSI Cyborg 15, exploring its key features, performance capabilities, and what makes it a potential game changer in the world of gaming laptops. Unboxing the future. Aesthetic brilliance. The first thing that strikes you as you unbox the MSI Cyborg 15 is its striking design. Inspired by the aesthetics of science fiction, this laptop features sharp angles, futuristic lines, and an overall cyberpunk vibe that immediately sets it apart from the sea of gaming laptops on the market. The lid is adorned with metallic accents and LED strips that create a captivating light show, making it clear that the Cyborg 15 is not just a gaming laptop, it's a piece of futuristic art. Build quality. Upon holding the laptop, you can feel a premium build quality. The chassis is constructed from a combination of aluminum and high-quality plastics, giving it a robust and sturdy feel. It's not just about aesthetics. The Cyborg 15 is built to withstand the rigors of gaming on the go. The laptop also features an innovative hinge design that allows for easy one-handed opening, a small but thoughtful detail that adds to the overall user experience. Display excellence. Opening the lid reveals the stunning 15.6-inch display of the MSI Cyborg 15. The laptop boasts a full HD IPS panel with a fast refresh rate of 144 Hz. This means that not only will your games look crisp and vibrant, but they'll also play smoother than ever before. The display is also equipped with MSI's True Color technology, ensuring accurate color reproduction for both gaming and content creation. Keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard on the Cyborg 15 is a true delight for gamers. It features MSI's customizable RGB backlighting, allowing you to personalize your gaming setup with a spectrum of colors and lighting effects. Keys themselves are tactile and responsive, with a satisfying click that's ideal for both gaming and typing tasks. Additionally, the touchpad is spacious and responsive, but let's face it, when gaming, you'll likely be using an external gaming mouse for precision. Port selection. One of the notable aspects of the MSI Cyborg 15 is its extensive port selection. The laptop comes equipped with a generous array of ports, including USB Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, Ethernet, and a full-size SD card reader. This versatility means you can easily connect your gaming peripherals, external displays, and other accessories without the need for adapters or hubs. Powering the future, CPU and GPU. Under the hood, the MSI Cyborg 15 packs a serious punch. It's powered by the latest Intel Core i7 processor, ensuring that even the most demanding games and applications run smoothly. The real star of the show, however, is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics card. This gaming laptop is equipped with one of the most powerful GPUs on the market, delivering real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced gaming experiences. Whether you're exploring a vast open world or engaged in fast-paced multiplayer battles, the Cyborg 15 has the graphics horsepower to handle it all. Memory and storage. To complement its powerful CPU and GPU, the Cyborg 15 offers ample memory and storage options. It supports up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring that multitasking is a breeze. For storage, you can opt for blazing fast NVMe SSDs that not only provide rapid loading times for your games, but also ample space for your gaming library. Cooling innovation. Gaming laptops often face challenges in terms of heat management due to their compact form factor. However, MSI has addressed this issue with the Cyborg 15's innovative cooling system. It features multiple heat pipes and strategically placed cooling fans that work together to dissipate heat effectively. This means that even during intense gaming sessions, you can expect the laptop to remain cool and maintain peak performance. Sound experience. Gaming is not just about visuals. Sound plays a crucial role in creating an immersive experience. The MSI Cyborg 15 doesn't disappoint in this department either. It features high-quality stereo speakers that deliver clear and immersive audio. The laptop also supports MSI's dynamic audio technology, which enhances audio quality and spatial awareness, giving you a competitive edge in multiplayer games. A look into the future. RGB lighting. One of the standout features of the MSI Cyborg 15 is its RGB lighting system. The laptop takes customization to the next level with per-key RGB backlighting. This means you can personalize the lighting for each individual key, creating stunning lighting effects and patterns. Whether you want a pulsating rainbow effect or a simple static color, the possibilities are virtually endless. The RGB lighting extends to the laptop's exterior as well, with customizable LED strips that can be synchronized with your in-game actions or music. Dragon Center software. To further enhance the user experience, MSI provides its Dragon Center software. This all-in-one utility allows you to control various aspects of the laptop, from performance settings to RGB lighting customization. It also provides system monitoring tools, ensuring that you can keep an eye on temperatures and system resource usage. The Dragon Center software is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to fine-tune your laptop to your preferences. Connectivity. The Cyborg 15 supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring fast and stable wireless connectivity for online gaming and streaming. The laptop also comes with Killer E 2600 Ethernet, which prioritizes gaming traffic for a lag-free online gaming experience. Whether you prefer a wired or wireless connection, the Cyborg 15 has you covered. Immersive audio. Gaming is all about immersion, and the Cyborg 15 takes audio immersion to the next level with its Audio speaker system. These speakers are tuned to provide rich, detailed audio with clear highs and powerful bass. Whether you're exploring the eerie corridors of a haunted mansion or engaged in a heated battle, the audio quality of the Cyborg 15 adds depth and realism to your gaming experience. The future of gaming laptops. As we wrap up our unboxing and first look at the MSI Cyborg 15, it's clear that this gaming laptop is a glimpse into the future of gaming laptops. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge hardware, and innovative features, it's poised to take gaming to new heights. Whether you're a competitive esports player looking for an edge or a casual gamer who appreciates high-quality design and performance, the Cyborg 15 has something to offer. In a world where gaming laptops are becoming increasingly powerful and versatile, the MSI Cyborg 15 stands out as a true contender. It combines style and substance, delivering a gaming experience that's both visually stunning and performance-driven. From its sci-fi-inspired design to its top-tier components, this laptop is a testament to MSI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming technology. The Cyborg 15 is not just a gaming laptop, it's a statement. It's a statement that gaming is not just a hobby, it's a passion, an art form, and a way of life. It's a statement that the future of gaming is here and it's more exciting than ever before. So, whether you're exploring distant galaxies, battling mythical creatures, or racing at breakneck speeds, do it with the MSI Cyborg 15 by your side, and you'll be doing it in style. In conclusion, the MSI Cyborg 15 is a sci-fi gaming laptop that promises to redefine the gaming experience. With its futuristic design, powerful hardware, and innovative features, it's a laptop that's sure to turn heads and deliver outstanding gaming performance. As the gaming industry continues to evolve, the Cyborg 15 represents a bold step forward, pushing the boundaries of what gamers can expect from their laptops. It's a glimpse into the future of gaming laptops, and the future looks bright indeed. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button. For more videos, thanks for watching.